Good morning, everybody. I'm Eric. This is Beeler Family Farm. Welcome to the video. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to build English. You would think it's my first language. Anyway, we're going to build flower fields. We are working on becoming a flower farm as part of our setup and trying to get this thing going. So what I'm going to do today is level off some area. If you've watched before, you know that this was a frog pond. And we've worked it back in. We are going to have a koi pond up there or some kind of decorative pond. And I've got a big hump right here. And we're going to push some that way. We're going to push some this way. Nice even field, gentle slope, and get it all set up. The remainder out here will turn back into a hay field. But I've got the tiller put on. I'm going to try to push most of it and then I'll finish it with tilling. But I do believe I'm going to set you guys up on a time lapse because there's going to be a lot of repetitive work. So hit that subscribe button and follow along, and we'll see you in a few minutes. Not sure if the time lapse picked it up, but that stuff is hard in spots. So I'm going to take the tiller off. I'm going to put a plow on. I'm going to break it up with the plow. Now put the tiller back on, till it up, and then try to do some final smoothing. We're supposed to get some rain this coming weekend, and I'd sure like to let that get soaked up good, but I'd like to have it pretty flat. You can see I'm going to kind of let this part here taper. But I want this to be pretty good. Wife came over, we talked about the layout. Thinking a field, just enough space between to mow, between the pond and the field to mow, and then another field over here at some point. This field eventually probably a high tunnel. In due time, if we sell enough flowers. Okay, I got the plow on. Nearly got blown away. I've got the noise reduction turned all the way up. I hope you guys can hear me all right. Hopefully you can hear me okay. It is warming up, but it is also very windy. I would say my hair is very wind blown, but it's also maxing out the microphone here, so I'm going to set you guys up. We're going to make a few passes. Alright guys, I have pushed it off, I've plowed it. This wind is ridiculous, so I think I'm going to set you guys up on a time lapse. I'm going to till it up, and that's probably going to be it for today. We're supposed to get some rain this weekend and it'll soak that down, and we're just going to let her lay for a couple weeks, and then I'll probably run a tiller through it again and it'll be about ready to plant. Short video outside because that wind. Holy smokes! Obviously that was not enough to keep that in place. Crazy wind today. Crazy wind. I don't know. Now all I need is plants to finish growing. We're going to get this flower farm cooking. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and come back for more. Hopefully we don't get blown away.